This is a 19 Mercedes C300, and it's a beautiful car. The problem is this client was taking it to the quick lube places, and there's several reasons not to do that, especially on a luxury car like this. It needs to go to a facility where they know the vehicle and they have some interest in providing you with information, what's best for the vehicle, what services are due, the condition of it, and also trained technicians. On this one, the lower pan, which is the little bitty pan here where the drain bolt is for the oil, when you do the oil service, they stripped it out. They tightened it too much and they stripped it. You can't even get it out, it just sits here and it spins. So, I mean, that's just a clue that whoever did this work wasn't paying attention. They don't care. They just didn't have a torque wrench and they just tightened it too much and they stripped out that bolt. I mean, that can be all avoided. Go to a quality facility. And that's what I stress all the time is, if you're trying to save money, you're going to spend more money. That's just how it is. Pay for the quality up front. That's in your best interest. It saves you money long term. That's a guarantee. To the next one. See ya.